Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will explain what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money with it. I see a lot of videos on YouTube and most of them are telling do this and that, but let me tell you that 95% of those videos are not telling you the right way to make money with affiliate marketing. So stick till the end and I'll share with you the exact way that you can follow to make money with affiliate marketing. So first of all, let's learn what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's product. For instance, if you promote Amazon's product and someone purchases that product through your link, then you'll get a commission. And that's how it works. Now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's learn the right way to make money with it. So people will tell you to promote the product, but they won't tell you how much it's gonna cost. I mean the investment for promotion. Even if you manage to promote the product by investing some money, there is no guarantee that the product you are promoting will sell. So if no one purchases the product, then your whole investment, efforts and time will go to waste. So what I want to tell you is, first spend your time building your audience. Like if you have a website, then engage the audience into your website and try to add them to your mailing list. Similarly, if you are good at something, then create videos on YouTube and grow your audience. Now this is really important, just don't make affiliate marketing your #1 priority. Focus on building your audience, and once you have the audience, trust me, it will be really easy to make money with affiliate marketing. So try to build the audience, and after that you can monetize your audience. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.